Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the part 2 video on Indian national movement important questions for SSC, CGL, RRB, NTPC and other competitive exams. Let us start the video. Who is the founder of Arya Samaj? Swami Dayananda Saraswati. During the Champaran movement in Bihar, farmers were forced by Britishers to grow which plant? Indigo. Which session of the Indian National Congress was preceded by the Mahatma Gandhi? Belgaum session. Who among the following personalities has been nicknamed as Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who among the following was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. The only viceroy to be assassinated in India was Lord Mayo. Who was the national leader who wrote the history of India on the walls of Andaman Cellular Jail? Veer Savarkar. Who was the first Indian Governor General of India? C. Rajagopalachari. Indian National Congress split for the first time in its session at Surat. Which of the following personalities led the revolt of 1857 at Kanpur? Nana Sahib. The partition of Bengal was announced by which Viceroy of India on 19th July 1905? Lord Curzon. Who was the founder of Swatantra Party? C. Rajagopalachari. General Dyer, who was responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre, who shot dead by whom? Udham Singh. Who is generally considered to be the father of Indian Renaissance? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. The Revolt Act passed by Britishers in which year? (1919). Vande Mataram movement in Bengal is also known as Swadeshi movement. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were hanged to death on 23rd March 1931 due to which conspiracy? Lahore conspiracy case. With which conspiracy case Aurobindo Ghosh name is connected? Alipur conspiracy case. Who is the founder of the Theosophical Society? Madam Blavatsky. In which year the Indian National Congress was formed? (1885). The Quit India movement was started from which city and in which year? Mumbai city in the year 1942. Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das were the founders of party known as the Swarajya Party. Which of the following personalities is known for attending all the three roundtable conferences? B.R. Ambedkar. The political guru of Mahatma Gandhi was Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Cripps mission came into India in (1942). Who is the founder of Ramakrishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda. Who is the founder of Brahma Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Who among the following is the founder of Azad Hind Fauj? Subhash Chandra Bose. In which year Chauri Chaura incident happened? 1922. Which of the following was published by Gandhiji during his stay in South Africa? Indian Opinion. Thank you friends. For more updates, subscribe my channel.